If Canada's judges weren't independent, our courts would be like hockey without referees. There would be chaos. Referees enforce the rules equally for both teams. They don't play favorites. If they weren't independent, we wouldn't believe that the winning team necessarily deserved to win. Maybe the referee favored the hometown team, or the team his brother plays on. Canada's judges are like referees. Let's say you're going to the court to settle a dispute with a roofing contractor. You don't want a judge who can be influenced, or who is appointed because of who she knows and not because of her knowledge of the law and the justice system. You wouldn't want a judge who does whatever the government tells him to do, or a judge whose work and conditions are controlled by the government. If Canada's judges were like that, the door would be open to a dictatorship. The freedoms Canadians take for granted would vanish, like the freedom to express our opinions, to practice our religion, to consult a lawyer confidentially, to travel freely, to have privacy, to protest government actions or policies. Canada protects itself from lawlessness and chaos by making sure judges are free to decide cases based only on the law and the evidence. So when you and your contractor have your day in court, you'll face a judge who will treat you both equally. A judge who has outstanding legal qualifications, who can't be influenced by financial considerations because her salary is fixed and doesn't depend on government decisions, who can't be fired for making a decision the government doesn't like, who has complete independence in managing her cases. At the same time, judges themselves are not above the law. Often their decisions can be appealed to a higher court, and independent counsels investigate complaints about the conduct of judges both inside and outside of the courtroom, and recommend action if necessary, including the possibility of removing a judge from the bench. The independence of judges is ensured by Canada's system of checks and balances. The system prevents power from being concentrated in any of the three branches of government. Here's how it works. Judges make decisions based on the law. The government can propose new laws or change existing ones. The elected legislative branch can accept, modify, or reject these legislative proposals. Judges can review a new or changed law to ensure it's in line with Canada's Constitution and Charter of Rights. Judicial independence ensures a stable, peaceful, and fair society. That's essential to our democracy.